In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this rotating wireframe earth animation in less than 4 minutes. Let's create a UV sphere. We need 2 materials. The idea is to use an external image and trigger an alpha transparency. I'll share this image's location in the description below. We need 1 more material. Time to add the wireframe modifier to the sphere. Please turn off Replace Original. Let's switch the render engine to Eevee, and go to the first material to trigger the alpha transparency. Increase the material offset to 1, so the modifier will use our second material. Lastly, we need to change our shader from BSDF to emission to avoid the material overlapping issue. We need to activate bloom. As usual, I'll create a 100 frame animation. I'll hover over the mesh's rotation setting and type I, as in India, to set a new keyframe. I'll go to frame 100, change the Z rotation to 359, and type I while hovering the mouse over the rotation like this. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.